Hello everybody. So this is the Tractor Supply carry-on trailer. If you watch any of my other videos, this is the one that I am doing updates to. I did a review on the trailer. So far I changed out all the little lights all the way around I just put LED bulbs in them. That way it conserves some power. But I put, bearing buddies on. And I put this jack on. Now, this jack is okay. I got it from Harbor Freight. It's a cheap jack, $35, 2,000 pound jack. If you want the number for it, it's right there, 58045. That's the product number. It's okay. It's not bad. It's the weld-on kind. So, if you look, ignore my crappy weld, but so it's the weld-on pipe kind. Take that off. You can either flip it up and put the pin back in so it rides along the frame and up out of the way, or you can just pull it right off and it's completely out of the way. Throw it in the back of your truck. Or if you had a box on here, you can just throw it in the box. But one thing is, if you watch this, when it goes in here, it's really wobbly. See all that play in there? Now, if you were to put the pin in sideways, it's severely wobbly, like bad wobbly. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's really strong, obviously, because it's welded on and everything. And even though it's a crappy weld, it's still strong. There's no way the weld is gonna go anywhere. But if you look at that, really wobbly. See? But for my needs, it's fine, because I just need it to hold up inside of everything else works great. This is really smooth. They have the washer in here, so it doesn't grind or anything like that. It just rides smooth. It's constructed really good. I just wish they used just a little bit thicker pipe so this wobble wasn't in there. That's a lot of wobble. So I have it on a jack stand right now. I'll show you the wobble. I can jack it up here with it. As you see, it's really smooth. It's a nice jack, but here, I'll come over here. I do have the wheels chucked too, so it's not going to wobble as much as it was, but so if you're hauling stuff, walking in and out of it, you might not like that, because that's a pretty decent wobble. But like I said, you can stand on here. It's 2,000 pound capacity. The thing ain't going anywhere, but if you're walking around on it, you might lose your balance because it's flopping around. Other than that, it's good, and it's good for my needs. I just wanted to talk about that jack. If anybody was going to go for it, did a quick review on it, and let everybody know what it's like. So yeah, I did grind this down before I grind all the paint off. And I know it doesn't match, but it's black. It's a matte black that I put on there. What it actually is it's a Rust-Oleum rust converter, even though it's a brand new trailer, there's no rust on it. It also acts as a primer and prevents rust, so that's why I put that on. Eventually I'll get some gloss paint and put it over it so it doesn't look like that, but other than that, that's all I got. Thanks.